4. Alright kids, today's super secret word of the day, if you want to scream real loud, is going to be progress. Like any whatsoever, because I've been slacking a little bit. But hey, we got more lights. Look at those lights. We got to get, my goal for today is to get the cam and springs put in the engine V2 for this pig out here. I think we're doing pretty good and should be pretty far along in that. Got to get this thing field stripped. Got to take all these 10 mils that are going to break out. Oh, got a broken coolant temp sensor. Look at that. Oh no, and a plug. Oh, that's it. I want my money back. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm going to do the springs first. Get those out of the way. And then I'm going to do the cam next. Probably maybe do a live video on that. So, let's go. Look at this one, boys. We got us a genuine race engine right here. Look how clean this thing is. I like it. All right, dirtbags. I'm gonna show you a little trick. Old school hackery to get these valve springs out. And I wouldn't recommend doing this to something you care about really that much. Just like that. Let's bend the crap out of these valves.
This my show. All the girls stomp your feet like this. Ain't no holler back, girl.
Just like that. See if we can find all the keepers, huh? Maybe. There's 1, 2. Two keepers that didn't fly into the abyss. There they are. Oop, oop. Jackpot. Hold on to these. Oh yeah, these are real good race car parts. You don't want to lose those. This in the bone pile. Good sensor, we'll need that. Next. Really? If you're real good, you can catch them in your pocket. 4. That one had a little bit of extra carbon in it. All right, and they're all there. Now all we gotta do is get these bad boys in the other engine. Okay, let's see if we can do this real quick before the abominable compressor turns on or my camera dies. First we gotta switch the hose. Forgotten to do that like 10 times. We got the rest of the other side done. I got this side done. Got a nice little flow going on. Sometimes these suck to start on certain holes, sometimes they don't. Let's see. Oh, I got it. Show you how I do this. Let's get a little McTwisty there. My compressor is condensating so much that water's coming out of this. Is that good to put in your engine? I don't know, but we're going to. Grab your engine assembly tool. Get that loose. Transfer this monstrosity over here. There we go. Drop metal into the engine. Check. I can't believe how clean this engine is. You got scuzz and grime and grit and dirt dauber nests all over it. I'm leaving those on there. That's like an extra 10 horsepower. Okay, got a little pedestal underneath it. That's kind of cool. This is a nice little tool. I think it's the BTR one. I'm not sure. Get these down here. Good co-worker of mine let me borrow this. Hopefully I don't destroy it. Mr. Nicholas Hellrung. Get a magnet, grab these dudes, boink, boink, boink. Missed one, boink. $31 are accounted for. Loosen this guy off. Take them all the way off. Destroy the hardware. Nick's cringing as he's watching this. How could you put my nice tool on this piece of crap? Get the old springy boys out. Take the retainers off, drop one on the ground. New Pack 1218 springy boys. Semi-lined up. Good enough. That on there. Protective washer that's defecating all over the place. Engine assembly tool. The hype is real, guys. It's just that good. Make sure you get the stubby for the man who has everything in those hard to reach places. Now here's the tricky part. Never enough high temp. Get you a good scrape of that. Make sure it's up. You can't install them backwards or lopsided or upside down. I've done it before multiple times. Gotta be really careful like that. And it'll run like that too. I had an engine all put together one time, one of these, and I drove it around the block. And then I noticed in a picture that one of these keepers was upside down. That's not fun. Next thing you know, you're in your going to town rig with the missus on a Sunday. Go over a set of train tracks on a 1-2 shift. And then sink a valve. And eradicate your $500 SBE and your more expensive turbo and ruins your day. And you scream fucking spit skull winter mitt all over your windshield. There goes the compressor. There it goes. We're almost done. Bear with me. Okay. Wipe the bloody mess off your hands. You know, grease is mostly soap anyway, right? And you're done. It's just that easy. Rinse, wash, repeat. Multiply that by 8. Boom. Done. Okay. See how bad this thing looks. Ooh, it's new. We're keeping that. Race car parts. Got a water pump bolt. Maybe 2. Who knows? First swap I ever done, I lost one of my water pump bolts. I had to buy this package of them. And now I got all these extra ones that I don't use. Except for like this. Just keep them around. lights out of the way somehow. Like that maybe. Stay there. Maybe. Other side? Nah. Let's run that seal. Spin this thing around, push all those lifters up so you don't got to use the dowel rods. Oh yeah. Free spinach, free willy. Okay. One-handed. Just keep spinning her. Keep spinning. Just keep spinning. Just keep spinning. Just keep spinning. Go. Just like that. A little nick on that lobe. That might have been for me just now. I don't know if you can see that. Cam bearings are looking awesome, all coppery and stuff. Keep it up, guys. Out there doing the Lord's work. Little nick right there. And we're gonna run it! Okay, so I had to call 911, get an extra hand because this thing is frozen solid right there. Well, not really like frozen solid, it still turns and stuff like that, but it is bound up, and none of the cam bearings have fallen out yet, but I suspect one of them may. And I've been getting this extension, this dead blow, and kind of gently tapping it from the backside. So I got a buddy coming over here right now, and I'm going to be turning this thing, and he's going to be tapping it from behind. Hey, and then hopefully this thing will pop out and I don't drop it on the ground, because I didn't want to do that earlier. I needed an extra set of hands. Anyway, and also, when looking at this thing, there's a little bit of, let's see if you can see that. A little bit of maybe concerning chatter marks on the lobes in certain spots. So we're going to totally ignore we saw that. All right. Mr. Anonymous came over here and saved my bacon, so we actually had a cam bearing come out. So we're gonna jam this baby in with this microfiber rag fibers in it. This engine is covered in oil. Just like that. High five on the camera. A douche. You'll never know who he is. Hey, but I'll tell you something. He hits like a girl. You wanna go, woman? You'll never see his face. Hey, hold on. Are you gonna let me see it? You wanna see his face? You wanna see my face? You wanna see my face? You wanna see my face? Ah!
Just have my head blow up.
All right, the cam is in. Now I gotta finish destroying these heads, getting these bolts out. Woo! And somehow, Mr. Anonymous is gotta get back to his job. Maybe? I don't know. Probably not. Nah.
Give me another beer.
I think there's one left in there. Oh yeah. All right. And if you guys notice, if any of you guys mess with like these junkyard truck engines at all, this is going to happen to you at least once. These broken exhaust manifold studs, they usually happen on the ends from my experience. So what you do is you get a little brushy brush, clean it up with some non-chlorinated brake clean so you don't die. And yeah, we only got one on this side. That one's good. So we got 3 to do, and get it set up on the welder, get you guys set up on a tripod, and we'll bang these out. All right, we'll see if I can show you real quick on this one. All right, get the oil pan stuff switched over real quick. No. Get our new old pickup ring reinstalled. Whoopsie. Amateurs. Doesn't look too bad. Put this one on just in case. Tweak, snap. crooked. No, you're not. Alright. Rag. Where's my rag? Rag. Give these a 3 blast. And then put it on 2, let the magic happen for this one. Some of the trash out of here. Be right back. And we're back. Okay. Had to clean all the old engine out of the new engine. Had to clean all the old engine piston parts out of the new motor. Okay, where are my bolts at? Where are my bolts at? That one started, maybe. Oh, here they are. Burner pan bolts. All right. These are going to work. Ran out of silicone, so this will probably leak like a stuffed pig. Did in the old one when I did use silicone, so screw it, right? Make a mess. Oil pan alignment and torque is critical. See service manual or we will shoot you in the face with a bazooka. Okay. Bottom 2 is for the timing cover. Wipe my hands off because they're a filthy mess. Try not to get my engine assembly tool that dirty. Round 2. Whoops-a-daisy. Torqued. A little bit of gasket material on that one. That's how we know it's not going to leak. I put the last engine together almost completely with a torque wrench. And I want to see if it makes a difference when I don't do that. I think we're ready to turn it over. Spin her on over, maybe. Put the cam plate on first. Let's see. Grab this handle. This engine stand I got is really kind of turning to crap. Engine is sagging down quite a bit. Hiya. Ah. in the name of love. Maybe. Doink. There we go. Safety mode. What was it doing? Oh, yeah. Let's get the best looking cam plate, wherever that may be. Where did it go? Oh, right here. Goodies. Engine assembly tool. Move my engine assembly bolts. Ooh, it's doing stuff in there. Okay. Shaft plate. Pow! Four. All the same length. 4. Just over here eyeballing bolts. We're having an epic dog war next door. And a better hand wiper. There we go. Absorption. Engine assembly tool. One, two. Go away, mosquito. Leave me be. Okay. Crankshaft straight up. Pretty sure I put it up. And TDC. Oh no, we lost the chain. Put that back on the ground. Flashlight. For this critical cam alignment, one tooth a little bit over the other way, so pretty on. Pretty spot on. This is tricky sometimes. Where's the dot? Dot. Where are you? Come back. Mosquitoes. God. Be. Back up a little bit. Down to the bottom. My dot. The bolts. All right. Got that jabroni lined up. We need one more bolt somewhere. Always got to have spares. Do this real quick. Rag. Got to rust prevent my plastic on my impact. Let's do this real quick. Yep, they're the same. Two. Oh yeah. Look at that timing chain flopping around like a windsock. Alright. Give it a couple of spinny spins. Couple of spinny spins. All right, that's it. Dude is lined up. Fit over the bolt. Oh yeah, it will. Put the clean timing cover back on the dirty engine, like a champ. No rest for the wicked or the cheap. Right. 2 for the bottom. Man, this thing is a cream puff. Look how dirty it is. Those dirt dauber nests, I bet, are rated for at least 900 horse. I like to get this one on the bottom kind of tightened first. Nope. Good. Saving her now. Push her down. No saving that one. I had to shoot that horse. Hello, Will. Okay. All right. Let's get the rest of the valve train put back together, and then long block is done. Long block is finished. This way. Camera die yet? We're getting close. We're almost done in the home stretch. Almost finito. just tell them they're just about there when they straighten out. Okay. I think these are like 24 foot-pounds. 24 foot-pounds on the nose. Let's see. All right, yep, that's about it. I got a huge problem with this ratchet. There's no trigger on it. Some of these rockers are like so wiggly jiggly. There's like no oil left in the lifters because it's been upside down for like 3 days. All right. The old junk in with the older junk. Ha! Not today, Satan. This is my valve cover bolt. Whoopsie. Hey, there it is. Go to your home. Go to your home. You think you're better than me? Okay. Alrighty then.